Don't look at me like that.
I offered the girls £100 bonus each.
That's okay. You can tell them you messed up there and all.
Oh, so you want to humiliate me in front of them as well as Frank, do you?
If it helps you book your ideas up, then yes, what were you thinking?
I was doing my best.
Yeah, well, right now, your best is far from good enough.
Hang on a minute, right? That bloke is a creep. You know that and you still undermined me.
I was saving us from the worst deal ever negotiated.
You could have shown a bit of solidarity.
Oh, grow up. This is not a playground. What, he pushed me so you can't be his friend? This is a business, Maria. It puts roofs over heads. It puts food in mouths. Look, if you can't hack that, then maybe you're in the wrong place. Now go on, get out there and tell them, look, they're all £100 worse off than they thought they were.
I'm sorry I messed your plans up, son.